Hey, good morning. Stephen here from Wit Digital with today's Momentum Monday. Today, I want to talk about morning routines or morning rituals, whatever it is that you want to call it. But these are really, really important when it comes to building momentum for your day. And you've probably heard a lot of different people talk about a lot of different things that you can do, whether it's meditation, journaling, reading, working out, movement, just going for a walk, Tony Robbins, Hour of Power. There's all kinds of things out there. And what I've found over the years is that for me personally and for other individuals that I'm close to, you have to kind of find your own thing that works for you. So whether it is doing meditation, then working out, or working out, then doing meditation or reading, or even just taking 20 or 30 minutes of time just for yourself to sit and do either nothing or do something as menial as scrolling on Facebook while you drink your coffee. Whatever it is, it's really important that you protect this time at the beginning of each day so that you can start the day off with momentum. So I'll share just what mine is, and then I'd love to hear what yours is, what has worked, what hasn't worked, and what are you doing right now to build momentum. So generally what I do is I get up early in the morning. I'm a little crazy. I like to be up somewhere in the 4 o'clock hour, and I'll do meditation, a little bit of journaling, and then work out. Some days I do flip it around. I'll go work out, and then I'll come back and do meditation and journaling, and then sometimes some reading. A lot of times I'm reading audiobooks in the car wherever I'm going. Right now with COVID, that doesn't happen quite as much because a lot less commuting into the office as usual. So I've had to kind of change up that part of my routine a little bit. But I can absolutely tell a difference when on days where I miss a piece or when I just miss it completely, or I get up and I just think, oh my gosh, I got too much stuff to do. I got to get rocking and rolling today. By noon or early afternoon, I can tell when I didn't do my morning routines, I didn't do those morning rituals. It's just not near as productive of a day. So for the Momentum Monday today, make sure that you have some sort of a morning routine, just so you have some strategy and some consistency in your morning. Whatever that is, it's really, really important to start your day off that way. So I would love to hear, what are you doing right now in the morning? What's working, or even what hasn't worked for you? I hope you have an awesome rest of your day and a fantastic week.